The Jaguar Motor Home 2026 is a bold reimagination of luxury travel, combining the brand's heritage of elegance and performance with the freedom of a fully mobile lifestyle. It is designed for travelers who demand the sophistication of a luxury automobile and the comfort of a modern home, all wrapped in a vehicle that turns every road into an experience. Jaguar, renowned for its sleek design and exhilarating performance, has created a motor home that embodies those same qualities, transforming every journey into a statement of style and refinement. From the moment it comes into view, the Jaguar Motor Home 2026 commands attention. Its exterior design is fluid and aerodynamic, reflecting the brand's signature lines while optimizing efficiency for long-distance travel. The front fascia is unmistakably Jaguar, with a bold mesh grille adorned with the leaping cat emblem, flanked by razor-sharp matrix LED headlights that pierce through the night. The side profile is sleek and uninterrupted, with flush-mounted doors, frameless windows, and retractable mirrors that double as high-definition cameras for enhanced visibility. At the rear, full-width LED taillights echo the modern design seen on Jaguar's latest luxury SUVs, giving the motorhome a futuristic presence even in the dark. Solar panels are seamlessly integrated into the roofline, helping to power onboard systems and support off-grid living without compromising the vehicle's clean silhouette. The motorhome is offered in a palette of sophisticated finishes, including British Racing Green, Santorini Black, Firenze Red, and a new pearl white with a satin effect. A dual-tone roof option enhances its road presence, and optional chrome or blacked-out exterior packages allow travelers to tailor the vehicle to their personal taste. Large tinted panoramic windows run along the sides, opening the interior to sweeping views of nature while maintaining privacy and elegance. Stepping inside is like entering a high-end lounge that just happens to be on wheels. The interior is a celebration of craftsmanship, with hand-stitched leather surfaces, open-pore wood veneers, and aluminum accents that reflect Jaguar's tradition of refined luxury. Soft ambient lighting flows along the ceiling, walls, and floor, creating a warm and inviting glow that can be adjusted to suit different moods. The front captain's chairs are sculpted for long-distance comfort, offering heating, cooling, and massage functions, while also swiveling to integrate seamlessly with the living space when the vehicle is stationary. The lounge area is designed for both relaxation and social connection. A plush L-shaped sofa anchors the space, easily converting into an additional sleeping area when needed. A sleek, retractable coffee table with built-in storage provides a central point for dining or working, while a large 4K OLED screen on a pivoting mount serves as both an entertainment hub and a smart home control center. A Meridian Premium surround sound system fills the cabin with rich, immersive audio, perfect for enjoying music, movies, or ambient soundscapes during a quiet evening parked under the stars. The kitchen is compact yet stylish and functional, reflecting Jaguar's attention to detail. It features a dual-burner induction cooktop, a combination convection oven and microwave, a smart refrigerator with a freezer compartment, and a deep stainless steel sink with a retractable faucet. Lightweight stone countertops are both elegant and durable, while cleverly integrated drawers and overhead cabinets keep everything organized. A sliding dining table extends from the cabinetry when needed and disappears seamlessly when not in use, maximizing floor space. At the rear, the master sleeping area is a private sanctuary designed to ensure restful nights. A full-size memory foam bed with adjustable firmness is framed by subtle ambient lighting, and side shelves offer wireless charging and built-in USB-C ports for convenience. A panoramic skylight above the bed allows for stargazing, while blackout blinds and insulated curtains create complete privacy. Zoned climate control ensures the temperature remains perfect no matter the conditions outside, giving the interior a sense of serene escape. The bathroom balances practicality and luxury with a standing rainfall shower, a water-efficient flush toilet, and a modern vanity with hidden storage. A smart water filtration and recycling system allows for longer off-grid stays, while the ventilation system keeps the space fresh throughout the journey. Driving the Jaguar Motor Home 2026 is an experience unlike any other. Powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain with an optional all-electric mode for city and campground driving, it delivers smooth, quiet, and powerful performance. The hybrid system combines an efficient combustion engine with electric motors to provide both long-range capability and instant torque. Adaptive air suspension and Jaguar's advanced chassis tuning ensure the vehicle glides effortlessly over highways and winding country roads alike, making the drive as memorable as the destination. Safety and technology are integral to the motorhome's design. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a full 360-degree camera system come standard. Jaguar has also equipped the vehicle with intelligent driver monitoring to help prevent fatigue on long trips, and voice-activated controls allow occupants to adjust climate, lighting, or media without distraction. Storage solutions are abundant and discreet, with underfloor compartments, built-in cabinetry, and exterior access storage bays for larger gear. Optional roof and rear-mounted carriers allow travelers to bring along bikes, surfboards, or other adventure equipment without compromising the interior's luxury feel. The Jaguar Motor Home 2026 is more than just a way to reach a destination, it's an experience in itself. Every surface, every detail, and every feature is designed to elevate life on the road. It is a mobile expression of luxury and freedom, blending the thrill of travel with the sophistication of Jaguar's heritage, inviting its owners to explore the world without leaving the comforts of home behind.